Have you ever felt an inner knowing or a hunch and then doubted yourself? What if you could trust your intuition with more confidence? So many people who are on a spiritual journey want to develop their intuitive gifts, want to expand and grow, but they find themselves second guessing, not trusting the information that they're receiving, and they just don't know how to expand their spiritual gifts. Nobody has taught us how to do this. So that's why I created Psychic Gifts Expansion. It's a step-by-step program designed to help you to unlock your intuitive abilities and trust your inner wisdom. So what you'll learn in Psychic Gifts Expansion, it's a step-by-step program. We begin with opening and raising your energetic vibration. You need to know how to do this first in order to then get those intuitive impressions coming to you. Then each week we unlock and develop with you one of your 4 psychic or spiritual abilities. So we begin with Clairaudience. Clairaudience is that inner guidance, the still small voice inside. You'll learn how to hear that inner voice and get those intuitive impressions and trust them. Then we move into Clairvoyance. This is your visionary part. It's the inner symbols and pictures. You'll learn how to see auras. You'll learn how to see energy and open and transform that part of yourself. Next, we have the gift of prophecy. This is also known as claircognizance. It's that inner knowing. You'll learn how to sense the future, get premonitions of what's coming for you, and be able to really sense out. You can daydream and go into trance and get deeper inspirations from spirit through this part of yourself. And finally, the gift of feeling, otherwise known as clairsentience. So through this gift, you'll develop automatic writing. You'll learn how to hold objects or even touch people and pick up impressions intuitively from that and trust those feelings and hunches. So through all of this, as you open and expand your intuitive gifts, you will really learn to trust yourself. You'll be able to make clearer decisions in your life because you intuitively know the best path for you. You're tuned in to that bigger picture of what you're here to do. Your relationships can improve, your career life can improve because you're simply tapped in to guidance and intuition, knowing the best path to take. So I wanted to share with you some stories from a few of the amazing people who have been through Psychic Gifts Expansion. The first story I have is from Michaela. She's in the UK. And she said that going through this program really reminded her to trust her intuition and not second guess. You see, intuition is that inner power center that many of us are neglecting. Next, I have a story from my client Audrey, who went through Psychic Gifts Expansion. She shared that she's really seen the way that this course helped her to be in tune with herself and all of her spiritual gifts. And she's more confident and more grounded in her life as a result. And finally, Paula, also in the UK, she shared that during the 5 weeks that we had together in Psychic Gifts Expansion, she opened up more than she possibly has in her whole lifetime. She's learned to be open and she's learned to trust. How would that be for you if you opened yourself to awareness and really learned to trust that inner guidance? Remember, there's that power center within you, your intuition. And so many people have been programmed out of it because of the way we're raised, the way society is. But that is where your true power lies. There's so much value in developing this part of yourself. It's the real you on a soul level. Psychic Gifts Expansion is opening for enrollment for a live 5-week class series. This is the best way to learn, is to share the experience with other like-minded, amazing people. Spots are limited to 40 spots right now, and you can join right now at a $50 discount on what this course normally goes for. So it's $149. And right now, which is something I don't normally do with this course, but I'm making available a 3 monthly payment plan. So you can split that up into 3 monthly payments of $57. That way you can feel really confident investing in yourself and know that it's not going to break your budget, and you can just really dive in and develop yourself in this way. So enrollment for the live classes ends on Tuesday, February 25th. If you want to really expand and grow, then join the live class series by Tuesday, February 25th of 2025. I can't wait to see you expand and grow in Psychic Gifts Expansion. There's more information on the page. If you have questions, check out the FAQ section. And if you have other questions, you can always email me at support@communicatewithangels.com. As far as the class times, I have scheduled 4 p.m. Eastern on Tuesdays. However, I will also add a second class time if there are requests for other times of day. So that will be somewhat flexible. Probably will stick to Tuesdays, but know that if you sign up, there can be some flexibility in the time of day to ensure that most people can attend the class. Remember, there's only a few spots available. Grab one now. Can't wait to see you on our first live call.